Hello! I really love this product. I've been using this since December last year, and alam niyo po ba, nagkaroon po ng COVID yung lahat ng tao sa bahay namin maliban sa akin at dun sa isa kong anak. As in, I've been sleeping with my children na may COVID po. Pero talaga pong sinave ako ng Genesis Organic Spirulina. As in, hindi po talaga ako nagkaroon ng COVID. Of course, nagmamask din naman ako, but ito po talaga yung feeling ko lang naman sa aking experience. Ito talaga yung nag-save po sa akin, kaya hindi ako nahawa dun sa mga family members ko na nagkaroon silang lahat ng COVID. And also sa allergy ko po, napakaganda rin po nito. And every time I have pains, for example, masakit yung puson ko, dinadagdagan ko lang po yung dosage ko nito in a day, and I'm good to go. I really love this product. Congratulations po sa management and CEO of Genesis Organic Spirulina. Keep up the good work and good luck po. Good luck. This is really 2 thumbs up.
Your day is complete, your life fulfilled.